Alright, Chef Joe here with Healthy Kids Inc. and we're going to be making turkey tacos with our seasoned sweet potato fries. So I've got some ground turkey here that we're going to put in our pan and we're just going to brown it. I'm going to carefully slide that out. Alright, dispose of our bag. Alright, while this begins to brown, I'm going to talk a little bit about, we've got a seasoning mixture here that you can check out the individual ingredients in your recipe. This is going to go into the turkey in a few minutes. Got a little bit of chopped tomato or some salsa, a little bit of cheese and some sour cream and our whole wheat tortillas. And that's what we'll close everything up in just a few minutes. Inside of this bowl, I've tossed our sweet potatoes that we already had cut up and some paprika, olive oil, salt and pepper. And now we're going to spread those out in a baking dish. We're going to bake these in the oven at 375 until they get a little bit of color to them. Just for a few minutes, maybe 10-15 minutes tops on these. We'll go ahead and slide these into the oven. Alright. Continue to brown our turkey. Okay, while our turkey is browning, I'm going to go ahead and season it a little bit with salt and pepper. We're going to add our other seasonings in at the very end. Pepper, a little bit of salt. Alright, so our turkey is browned. We're now going to add in our seasoning mixture. Kind of distribute that evenly. I'm going to toss it all together. In these last couple of minutes, we're just going to let it simmer with our tomatoes or our prepared salsa, whatever you got. I'm even going to add in a little bit of our cheese now so some of it can melt. I'm just going to toss all this together. You can even kill the heat at this point. All the leftover heat in the pan will really do the trick for you. Cheese is melting. Then all that is left to do is actually roll these up and plate them up.